How can it be September already? You know, if you're not quite where you want to be this year so far, doing more of what you've done won't get you there. You know, and just working harder or leaving your results to chance, well, that doesn't work either. You must up your game to get to where you want to be. So here are the steps to make up the difference in 2023. Number one, confirm your current production so you know exactly what it'll take to get you to where you want to be. Get a new required production number. Number two, count the number of actual work weeks you have left in 2023. Now, there are 17 weeks left, but most of you will have no more than 14 and probably a few less. Let's remember that these are the most valuable weeks you have. So identify and then stick to them. Work those weeks. Number three, divide your production number by the number of weeks you have left for a weekly production target. Number four, calculate the average number of cases you need each week to reach your new target. Number five, set your weekly minimum sales activity to reach that weekly target you now have. 6, commit to putting in the necessary effort and activity you have to put in. Remember, you only have, say, 12 or 14 weeks to really dig in. So dig in. Number 7. Now, and here's the key. Focus on picking your low-hanging fruit, the quickest, most lucrative business you have available to you to maximize your return on effort, your ROE. Maybe create a campaign knowing that more activity breeds more activity and bigger business sometimes too. And number 8, finally, track, write down, and report your activity and results each and every week, and adjust your targets as you go. So follow these steps and you will not only reach, but you will also exceed your 2023 goals. You really can. Okay. God bless. We'll see you again next week. And you know what? You really can be amazing.